welcome back to this video. And today's topic is attribution model. We have covered the marketing attribution in our previous videos. You can go there and have a look. We have a completely new playlist for attribution. So we have talked about different attribution models already. We have just covered the basics. So these are basically a set of rules that are assigned for credit various touch points in the conversation path. Sometimes what happens is we need to track the path of our user, and it needs to be measured for specific reasons for collecting data, etc. So we have discussed some of the models that they were very basic models like first touch attribution, last touch multi-source, and weighted multi-source also. So now we have come up with some of the more attribution. So before it, like, so here we are going to cover all the typical attribution models and their pros and cons, and how different business use them. So that is what the main thing is. So now we are going to get into the technical elements required for you to do the attribution. Okay, so we have models in four touch visions, and say attribution is not as simple as four touch points, but it could be like 40 touch points. So it is just an basic overview of it, and things need to be done as your marketing really requires it and how your company needs it. Okay, so the first model which we have is the last non-direct click. So uh, we can see a four bars over here, and one bar is slightly taller than the other threes. So each bar has denoted a visit, and we can clearly see like the third bar is the last non-direct click, so which we got the higher values over here, and four is the direct click. So this is the basically a way which how our non-direct clicks, say our PPC, comes to our website and make us sales, and how the things are getting recorded here. But here are some issues while doing this, and we have one model better than this model, and that model is last attribution, last interaction attribution. Okay, note the difference. That was last non-direct click, and it is last interaction attribution. So this is going to be the actual last interaction within the journey, and therefore this will be where the sales actually happened. And as I've told you, this model is better than the last non-direct click, and it is mostly useful when we are actually converting our stuffs from offline to online mode. And also it doesn't really needs to be digital, like it could be implemented on offline modes also. Okay, and to be honest, this is not at all easy for marketers, and to tackle a lot of things, and that comes under the journey of tracking your customer. Also it is not always the last thing or the last click one does. It is actually the whole process. So the reason why they it is basically reason why they convert. Okay, so so we have a completely different way of looking at marketing. Is you can have a look at this picture. If you're a marketing guy, you must know this funnel. So this model has a lot of flows, and when it comes to activities, it drives benefits for. Okay, so like you can see a lot of things are there, like we have here is acquisition, behavior, conversion, satisfaction, loyalty, advocacy. So this is what basically our customer feels and how we can track our customers well. So in the top we have the awareness section, and then we have the behavior section, and then we have the conversion section. So these are the three main blocks of marketing, but there are something else we need to have a major look over, which are the major factors. Okay, and must be considered. So I would like to sum up this video by saying that by just the last interaction or the last click, it is difficult, or I should say, like, you are missing out on understanding what activities, missing out understanding like what kind of activity your user is performing during the purchase, and you won't be able to form the actual awareness So you need to have this kind of funnel on your marketing model, like on your attribution model. Okay, so and you, from that you will get the actual awareness through to behavior, through to behavior which is the reason for your conversion. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys, and we'll catch back soon. Thank you.